Hi students, this week we are learning the long U sound. Long U can say two different things. It can either say its own name, U, or it can say oo. So all of our words this week have the long U sound with oo. Let's read through our words. Blue, chew, flew, fruit, rude, soup, spoon, truth. Let's do our sounds in those words. Blue. B, ul, oo. You can see in this word the UE is making the oo sound. Chew. Ch, oo. We have the EW making the oo sound in this word. Flew. F, ul, oo. Again, the EW saying oo. Fruit. F, oo, t. UI in this word. Rude. Oo, d. In this one, you can see that silent E is jumping over to make that U say the oo sound. Soup. S, oo, p. OU making the oo sound. Spoon. S, p, oo, n. Spoon. O in that word. Truth. T, oo, th. And you can see in this one it's just the U by itself making the oo sound. So we have a lot of different spelling patterns that can make that oo sound. So you're really going to have to study on those words. Then we have our two review words, toy and coin. T, oi, k, oi, n, coin. Words that you will learn to read this week in your story. Answer, brought, busy, eyes, enough, and door. On enough, I actually did my sounds wrong, so I need to fix that. It's kind of a weird word because it doesn't really follow rules. We have E, N, so this OU is together, making that sound. And then the GH is making F. Kind of weird, but that's how we spell laugh too. L-A-U-G-H. That GH is on the end, it says F. So E, N, O-U, and then F, the GH. Enough, E-N-O-U-G-H. Here we have the word door, D, or, So these two O's are making that O and then the sound, door. Okay, good luck you guys. Study hard this week, and I sure miss having you in class.